Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Oxford.
Say good morning to him.
Look at this quicksilver.
Good morning.
What's up guys? अभी बज रहे हैं सुबह के 8। 5 मार्च है आज, और आज मेरे लाइफ का काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट और very good day. You know, like when you were small, there's this used to have these wishes to buy some toy that you really want. आज मेरे को वैसा वाला फीलिंग आ रहा है.
Okay.
हाँ, stay tuned to find out why. So we're heading to London right now. It's gonna be a half-day trip, and the plan is to chill in London and afternoon get some nice South Indian food. So we were told not to go to Sarvana Bhavan.
Okay, we'll go to Dosa Park.
Dosa Park in Wembley.
Going for South Indian food only.
Yeah. You love South Indian food?
That's my soul food, dude.
Same. I like South Indian food too. I can see your cute doggo.
What?
I can see your cute doggo.
Oh.
Okay. Stay tuned to find out where we're heading to next. London baby, third time. Now we've got down at Marble Arc. इधर से जाना है Regent Street. We're taking the tube नहीं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, underground from here. Look at this beauty. Oh my god. I love it. We'll do the unboxing outside. Yeah, finally bought an iPhone from the most expensive store in London, the most expensive neighborhood in London. Feels great. खुद के पैसे से iPhone खरीदा है. लाइफ का एक legit गोल अचीव किया मैंने आज. गाइस, मेहनत करो, हार्ड वर्क करो, खुद के पैसे से चीज़ें खरीदने का स्वाद ही कुछ अलग होता है. So now we shall go and eat something. भूख लग रही है काफ़ी.
Actually.
Wembley?
हाँ. How far is it?
वही मेट्रो वगैरह ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा. So
Wembley, the Dosa Park, no?
yeah,
हाँ.
as suggested by Miss Aishwarya Sane. She said don't go to Sarvana Bhavan because it's not nice. Apparently it's not that great. So we shall take that advice and चलो अनबॉक्सिंग के लिए भी कई जगह ढूंढ के बैठ के अनबॉक्सिंग करके डेटा ट्रांसफ़र करने. Wembley. Wembley, the famous Man United, and we're going to Wembley. Huh? We are inside Wembley Box Park and we're gonna get sides. पता नहीं है तो side men have opened this thing. Check it out. Unboxing time. beautiful, no? Nice. Finally, a much needed upgrade. Blog content is going to be, quality is going to be better. And hopefully IG, Instagram content also. Let's see. Now I shall set up the phone.
Yep.
Vlogging with the new phone. Guys, can you see? Okay, check this out. Perfect timing. क्या quality है guys. I seriously like, I love iPhone just because of the display and the camera quality. It's brilliant. I'm literally in love with the phone.
The quality of the phone and the camera.
It's a big upgrade from me, dude. Like I have had an iPhone 7 and then I was using an Android phone as my main phone. Now it's like a combination of both, best of both the worlds. So cheers.
Cheers.
अच्छा लगा ना देख के.
Feel आ गया dude.
Proper feel आ गया. Are we in India? Yes, we might just be soon. Akhand Bharat coming soon. Damn. Didn't expect to see this. It's a very famous travel. क्या बोलते हैं? Travel agency or they make tours around the world and all.
Oh.
But ये बंद हो चुका है. But if you'll see in every country, like I think we've been to Singapore, Dubai mein also, there'll be a group of Marathi auntie uncles.
अच्छा.
Typical, they'll have that kesari wala hat and nice vibes. Yeah. Didn't expect this, honestly. Cinematic mode. हाँ, so we're going to Dosa Express, right? Finally. Or Dosa Express, then we do like bar hopping. We go like to one thing at Dosa Express, one thing at Vasanta Bhavan. Yeah. What have you found?
Vegetable biryani.
See, this I agree. This I accept. That's pulao.
Whatever biryani I have had in my life, तो उसमें पनीर या सोयाबीन होता था. Okay, so I don't know about the pure veg, but it exists.
Apparently, it does exist, guys.
I have proven my point. टाटा बाय बाय. मेरी vlogging finished. मैं चला खाने.
और कुछ टिप्पणियाँ?
नहीं.
Okay, how is it? Taste.
Dude, proper.
Okay. Enjoy. I'll let you have the moment. Idli is also very nice and soft. Oh. Oh my god. Brilliant, dude. First lunch has been done. ये मैडम आधे डोसे में और 1.5 इडली में ही आउट हो गई. इतना प्लान चल रहा था कि ये खाएंगे वो खाएंगे. ज़बरदस्ती तेरे को मैंने एक्चुअली फिल्टर कॉफ़ी भी एक ज़्यादा पिला दी. चल क्रॉस. Now we're having paan. Pulse उठा है? Shravan, I think he likes pulse. पान खाने आए हैं, यहाँ पे फ्रूटी भी है। लिटरली इतना मज़ा आ रहा है टुडे फ़ोन से ब्लॉग करते हैं, बिकॉज द रिचनेस इन द कैमरा डिस्प्ले गिविंग मी लाइक एक सरवाना भवन। और भीड़ देख,
नो I checked the menu for this one and the London one. तो लंदन में सेम डोसा 9 point something, यहाँ पे सेम डोसा 4 point something।
इतना क्यों महंगाई?
क्योंकि वो सेंट्रल लंदन है, वहाँ पे महंगा होगा।
Right. That's true. कोई नहीं, next time we'll try this. Welcome to India. This is, look at this. Looks really nice. We are in Ealing of London. Now we are going to Ealing of Wembley, Ealing area basically. और यहाँ पे there is, it's just a mini India basically. Everywhere there are Indians. I can see mostly South Indians and Gujaratis. And now we are going to, yeah, we're going to Mandir. She found a Mandir close by. Let go. सब इंडिया से imported कुछ। Of course. Dude, smells भी कैसे कैसे आ रहा है। वही ना, शू स्टोर की स्मेल से खुशी मिल रही है। ये देख, मूर्तिज चाहिए कुछ मूर्ति वगैरह। शिवलिंग है भाई वहाँ पे। है मेरे पास शिवलिंग। सॉरी। महाशिवरात्रि, रुद्राक्ष माला। नाइस यार, सही में अच्छा लगा डूड। अच्छा लाइक सीरियसली
कम से कम ऐसे नहीं होगा कि हाँ कुछ ऐसी स्मेल आ रही है।
हाँ इतना ही देख के दिल खुश हो रहा है। देख What a beautiful temple, guys. This is our culture. We should be so proud and respected. It's a beautiful mandir. How's it?
Good. Felt really good after so long.
I think for me, मैं जब से like I've started becoming more dharmic or more in tune with my spiritual side, this is the first time I've come to a temple and I've felt the peace.
Oh.
I just had to sit there for a while and my tears were automatically coming down. I mean, like these things are really underrated, and I wish more people know about things that are much more deeper in life, like spirituality. I know religion is really subjective, but life is much more deeper, guys. And I really hope you guys get to access that dimension of yours as well. It's a personal experience, but yeah, whatever. Good day, and very, very end to a very good day coming to the mandir. And they had literally like every goddesses ki murtis inside, so like it was really, really divine and very peaceful inside. We'll be back here soon. Peace out. Okay, now we are heading back to Oxford. It's 4:40. मुझे 6 बजे शिफ्ट को जाना है, but आज definitely काफ़ी लेट होने वाला है to go to the shift. But nevertheless, today was a very nice day. I feel really nice कि खुद के पैसे से मैंने iPhone खरीदा, and even the day after that was quite nice. Having South Indian, getting really, really spiritual at the temple was a very nice day with this one. कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप? नहीं.
Okay, bye guys. Like, subscribe and share. Is
And
that
do you want to plug your own channel?
my own channel?
Yeah, plug your channel.
It's your choice. It's her choice.
Yeah, so that's why I'm asking you. It's her choice. Okay, go follow this fool. Link in description. She also makes really nice vlogs. Give her a shout out. Give her a subscribe. And,
Credit goes to him only. He is the one who motivated me.
Might have been.
Have been.
Okay. Chalo, guys. See you guys in another next episode, wherever the next adventure lies, whatever we do. Take care. Peace out.